Hey guys, I'm Oliver. Today I'm providing you a few tips on how to get the best unsharpened footage from your DJI Mavic Pro 2 drone. When DJI launched the Mavic Pro 2, I was really excited about the camera capabilities. This drone houses a 20 megapixel camera designed in partnership with Hasselblad and is equipped with a diaphragm that allows you to adjust the amount of light that hits the sensor. It is much more similar to a DSLR camera, and like any other camera, requires few attentions to get the best and the crisp footage ever. It is well known that every lens has its best aperture, and this also applies on your drone. So let's see this little comparison that I carried out on the Canary Island. It was a sunny day, and the common sense when shooting a video suggests to set the aperture at 10 in order to lower the shutter and avoid any drone artifacts in the video. Unfortunately, the image doesn't look great. If we zoom in, we can see that the details are not sharp and they appear very blurry and not recognizable. By closing the aperture to 5, we can see a great improvement and the images achieves an excellent clarity. But the surprise comes at 2.8 when the images is still excellent. In general, the traditional lenses tend to soften the image at the maximum aperture, but the Mavic Pro still maintains a constant quality. Now let's see the HQ mode. The quality further improves and we get few more details and sharpness. Setting the aperture to 10, we see again a loss of detail. This proves that the Mavic lens at the smallest aperture cannot guarantee the maximum clarity. So guys, if you want to get the sharpest footage on your DJI Mavic Pro 2, just follow these 3 simple rules. Always use an aperture between 2.8 and 5.6. If necessary, add some ND filters to reduce the light that hits the sensor. Turn off the autofocus, sometimes it might not be accurate. As soon as you take off your drone, just select a distant focus point and then change the focus to manual mode. Set the DJI app sharpness to +1 and leave the other parameters to default values. I leave you with some images that I shot on the Canary Island with my DJI Mavic Pro 2 drone. I hope you liked them. I also suggest you have a look to my previous videos. Links are down in the caption, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Have fun guys and enjoy your flights with the DJI Mavic Pro 2. Fly safe, bye!